Hello, I'm John Geib. I'm a vegetable specialist with the Big Country Master Gardeners Association. Welcome back to our series of videos talking about what we need to be doing in our vegetable gardens in the following month. Well, the windy season is winding down. We are in a time of occasionally windy, beautiful spring days intermixed with the summer heat. So, what should we be doing in the month of May in our vegetable garden? Well, it's May, and planting season is in full swing. It is time for action. All of your warm and hot weather veggies can be planted out in the garden. Keep an eye out on the weather forecast though. Our temperatures can get above 90 degrees during this time of year easily, which can really put a stress on the new transplants out in the vegetable garden. As your garden should already be planted, you can clean up any seed starting endeavors that you had been working on earlier this year. As most of your warm weather crops are just sitting there growing in the garden at this time, just keep an eye out for bug and disease issues so you can catch them early and deal with them as necessary. Any crops in the garden will need to be tended to. A little bit of general maintenance like weeding and watering is all that should be needed right now in the garden. Most plants will require about 1 inch of rainfall a week. This will include actual rainfall along with irrigation. Any plants that are ready to be harvested can be harvested at your leisure. If you need to replace any of your plants lost due to weather, you can add a few transplants, but understand to try and plant these during the cool of the day as opposed to the heat of the afternoon. Remember to add fertilizer as necessary per recommendations based on your soil analysis. You should have your soil tested every 3 years to see if there are any deficiencies in your soil. Please refer to our video on taking a soil sample for steps on how to take a soil sample. Plants that can be harvested in May are beets, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, kale, lettuce, peas, radishes, spinach, Swiss chard, and turnips. Remember that all the scraps from these harvested plants can be put in the compost pile for next year's garden, as long as they are not diseased. Plants that can be planted in May are basil, beans, cantaloupe, carrots, corn, cucumber, eggplant, okra, peppers, squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, watermelon, and zucchini. These can go into the garden either as seeds or as transplants. Well, that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you've learned something, please like the video. If you've found our videos helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted when our new videos come out. We'll be putting out a new What to Do in Your Garden Next Month video every month during roughly the last week of the month. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep gardening.